bite. I just got out of the gym. I went home. On my way home, I picked up some food. It is a new Veracruz styled taco truck because I've never had Veracruz style before. Tamal in the banana leaf. I don't usually eat banana leaf. This smells like it has really good flavor to it. Okay. First bite. Okay. I'm about to say, the first time I ever had banana leaf tamales, I hated it. The banana leaf was so strong that it like threw off the tamale for me, but this one is actually really good. The masa is really soft and really moist. Like, look at how moist this is. Really bouncy. And it's not flaking off. That's how you know it's good. I think these are called gorditas. There's onions in here. I think you can add meat to these. I'm gonna try this one. I'm not gonna finish these because there's no meat on it, but it's good. I think if I added meat on it, it would be perfect, like chicken. I'm gonna add this chili oil salsa because this salsa is fire. And then we're gonna try the red salsa. The salsa is good. Bites. Empanadas. She gave me one of everything, so it's chicken, carne, and queso. Oh my god, something is hot. I don't know what it was, but it's good. First bite. This one has chicken in it. I'm kind of glad that the empanadas aren't like a thick dough, because that's what I was expecting. It's still thin, so you still get that crunch. This is the inside. So good. That's some good horchata because it's not too thick, it's not grainy, and it's not too sweet. I like how this is the last thing that I'm eating, and it's still crunchy. Everything was so good. The meat is very well flavored. And I know that there are a lot of taco trucks in this city. You know a food review is good when you eat all of it. If you guys are looking to try some new food, try Las Arrochitas on Portland Road. They are Veracruz style. And honestly, the food was so amazing. The meat is well seasoned. And the horchata is literally perfect.